Get a 2011 Subaru Impreza that today wanted to replace the radiator. So we're gonna remove this one. The radiator got broke through here, so we're gonna remove all the radiator. Okay, so we're gonna remove the upper hose. We're gonna try to hold it like that, okay? So you can see I hold it with this little one. So we're gonna remove the fan. So we're gonna remove this line right here with the reservoir, okay? So those number 10s. So we're gonna remove the so let's see. So we're gonna remove this one. Move it from here. Oh, we need to squeeze this down to remove this one. So I'm gonna use my pliers and just push it. Okay. Just take it off. And so we'll remove the cap. I'll remove this hose here. This one I put on the side. So now we're going to remove the fans. That's number 10 and that's number 10. So and also remove the electrical connector for the fans. Just push this down. Okay. And you can take it out. So we're gonna do the same thing. Electrical connector is down here. The electrical connector is down here, so you can span. Okay, so we need to disconnect this hose from down here. Okay, so I removed the clamp from down there, so now I'm going to use this to release the hose. So now we're going to remove these bolts right here. This one and this one. So So we got 2 bolts. So to remove these bolts, we're gonna use a number 12. Remove this one. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay. So now you have to be really careful here. Just push a little bit up on this side too. Okay. And just remove the radiator. Right here. So right here I got the new radiator. This is the part number. Just make sure it's the same radiator, okay? So we're going to remove these covers right here. I'm gonna put it inside. So make sure it goes on the guides right there. Okay, so now it's in place. Put this one's on place. Now we're going to reconnect this hose. This hose here. We want to put a clamp, okay? Okay, so everything is back connected. Connection here. Everything is back, so we're gonna use this tool right here, okay, to bleed the system. So I'm using this coolant. This is the blue coolant. Hey, good, how are you? Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there till all the bubbles, all the air come out. And when your fans start working, you're good to go. Okay? So we're gonna leave it around like 10 or 15 minutes. And when your fans start working, means that the system is bleed. You don't have no more air on inside the engine, and you're good to go. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.